Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 274 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about grounding yourself in gratitude, even for the smallest things that carry you through the day. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice one simple thing you're grateful for right now. Maybe your breath, your body, or the quiet of this moment. Now, say to yourself, I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this moment. And I am grateful for what sustains me. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of gratitude with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.